Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Captcha on Google Chrome. So first of all, I want to be straightforward with you guys. You can't completely disable Captchas in Chrome. They are enforced by websites for security, but yeah, you can reduce how often they appear by fixing the triggers that cause them. First of all, uh, just go on extension, go on this puzzle icon on top right corner, click on manage extensions, and here remove or disable any VPN if you have turned it on. Just click on remove if you want to remove it, or you can just turn it off by clicking on this toggle option. Okay, now use a trusted Google account for any activity, and another one is disable suspicious extensions like auto clickers, scrapers, bots/automation automation tools which do something for you. If you have any extensions like this, just turn it off or disable this. Alright. Now if you're still seeing the captcha problem again and again, what you can do, just go on this three dots on top right corner, click on settings. Okay, now here go to system, no sorry, go to reset settings, and here just click on restore settings to their original default. Now I want to warn you guys, if you want to use any captcha solver bypass extensions, just don't use it. Most are unsafe, violate site rules, or steal data. So be safe, and that's just it. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.